Time blocking for maximum productivity is very important for a business owner or content creator. Apart from using Google Calendar, which is a free app, the other apps that I've used before as a virtual assistant that I recommend to business owners. Number one is Clockify. This time tracking game is perfect for business owners. If you juggle multiple projects and clients, you can track your time for easy and project with ease and gain valuable insights into where your precious time actually goes. Number two is ToggleTrack. Currently, I'm using this application and it's good for agencies and client work. You can track time for your employees and your personal time. It also makes billing easy and you're able to generate a detailed report to provide to your clients for any project. The third application you can integrate into your work life and personal life is Susama. This application helps you to create visual planning. This application helps you to schedule your day visually with colorful blocks. The good thing about Susama is the drag and drop simplicity. If you are a content creator, I recommend you to try this application and it's free. And you're also able to synchronize this application across all your devices. Number four is TickTick. This application lets you schedule tasks within specific time slots, set reminders, and break down even the most daunting projects into manageable bites. You're able to stay productive all throughout the day. I would love to know which time blocking application have you found to be effective for your tasks and productivity. Comment down below.